Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the control you need. Open Settings and tap Control Center, then add Screen Recording to included controls so the button appears. Once done, make sure the microphone option is available if you want narration. Tap the control in the list to reveal microphone permission. You're doing this now so the recording button shows in the Control Center immediately. This avoids extra steps later and ensures you can start recording with one swipe and one tap. Now you place and test the button so starting recordings is fast. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center and confirm the screen recording icon is present. If you want it easier to reach, return to Settings Control Center and drag screen recording up or down to reorder controls. Position it near commonly used icons. If you have a large iPad, enable reachability to bring controls closer, because ergonomic placement reduces fumbling during urgent captures. Finish by starting and verifying your recording workflow. Tap the screen recording icon in Control Center, which triggers a 3-second countdown, then record. If you need audio, press and hold the icon before starting and toggle microphone on. Once stopped, recordings go to photos automatically. If the icon is missing or record silent, restart your iPad, check microphone permissions in Settings Privacy, or remove and re-add screen recording in
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.